When I want to survey users about their favourite videos through a PDF form, I can create a drop-down menu. This allows users to browse all of the available options and make a selection. So let me show you how to add a drop-down menu field. Under the Form tab, click the drop-down button, and let's add it to our document. Double-click to enter the properties. Let's rename this one Video Series. In the Options category, we're going to add the options one by one. The drop-down menu will directly display the currently selected option, so we can add an item, choose your favourite video series. After adding all the options, we can use the up and down buttons to move the position of the options. Adjust the look of your drop-down menu in the Appearance tab, and you're done.